we decided to remove our swimming pool slide. My slide was installed by setting it into concrete, and it had a water hookup. There were also some aluminum poles that supported the front end of the slide. My wife bought me this cool multi-purpose tool at Harbor Freight Tools. It cost less than $20. Plus we got a special metal cutting blade for it. The slide was attached to the supports with these bolts. I removed the bolts, but that turned out to be a waste of time. I wouldn't even bother with it. Using the multi-purpose tool with the metal cutting blade attached, I started to cut the aluminum supports as close to the concrete as I could. You can see that the multi-purpose tool does scar some of the cool deck, but I'm sure that this will fade with weathering. After all the supports are cut free, it's easy to remove. I put mine in the front yard with a for sale sign on it and sold it within 30 minutes. Using the multi-purpose tool, I cut the remaining shards of aluminum as close to the concrete as I could, and then used a file to file them down smoothly. I used some Quikrete to fill in the holes that were left after I removed those support poles. Removing the water supply is more than I can do today, so I sawed this pipe off and put a cap on it, and we'll do the rest of it later. This space looks much nicer and gives us more decking area to enjoy the pool. Removing this slide took us from a crowded space to a much nicer space, and the project only took a couple of hours.